Hey there, I am here with the world's shortest travel decluttering tip. This is not about the traveling, but about coming back home from the traveling. So, a lot of us do traveling in summer. Going on a vacation can provide you with an opportunity to see your home or your workplace with new eyes and can provide clarity on possible positive changes. Now, I don't know how you leave your home when you go on vacation. I have to have everything completely tidy, but I know not other people are not like me. So, whether you come home to a tidy home or a little bit disheveled home, look at it, just pause and look for positive changes that you can make in your home. Use those new vacation eyes to see your home in a new light and to prevent your environment from pulling you back into old patterns. Consider making just one simple change to support your renewed spirit from your vacation. To help you with that new habit, visit our website at clutterfreenow.com for our free Mastering a New Habit PDF resource. I wish you a happy and restful summer.